Good morning, folks.
Good morning. We survived the night. Yay!
Well, we knew it was going to be a gully washer today, and
It is.
quite frankly, it's raining. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm sure you probably can. Good night. I slept fairly decent anyway. I mean, I was up and down, but I guess for camping I was sleeping pretty good. Crystal had no problem because she snored all night.
Hey, at least I slept. That's all that matters.
She slept. Well, anyway, it's still BC and waiting on the water to boil now.
Easy wind.
And the wind's picking up here and there and blowing a little bit, but other than that, tent's holding up fine. Well, we ended up coming over here to Anna Ruby Falls. We went through Unicoi State Park and stopped there. That was pretty. We're getting ready to go walk the half-mile up to the falls, so we're excited about that. But Crystal's down there peeking. I'm going to turn this around so you can see what we're looking at. tell, we made it to the falls.
It's very pretty up here.
It's quite an incredible sight.
It has started raining.
Yeah, it's about time for me to put that hot ass jacket back on.
That we're sitting on.
Yeah. But we made it to the falls. I don't know if we'll video anything on the way back down, but we made it though. Another one down, another one checked off. Any views on Anna Ruby Falls, honey?
I think it's very pretty, and I think that racing to see the top, there's so much beauty to see on the way up that people should take their time and stop and look, because there's a lot of beautiful things just along the way.
Not to mention, you probably need to stop and rest like I did 40 or 7 or 300 times.
Maybe.
But we made it to Anna Ruby Falls. Yay!
Yay! Yay!
Well, we just heard a huge clap of thunder, so it's time for us to make like a tree and leave. But one last look before we go. Very pretty. Let me see if I can fall on the way down here. I fell on the way up. Only I can fall up. We're back at the car, safe and sound.
A little wet.
Yeah, no risk, no reward.
I think I'm ready for food.
Yeah, we haven't even had lunch yet.
Well, we ate a late breakfast.
Yeah, like a brunch, Sunday,
Yeah.
Sunday
Yeah,
brunch.
Sunday brunch.
So, I guess we're back to the campground. It's a little over 2 miles. I think I burned a little over 1,000 calories. I don't know how many Crystal burned.
Like 600 and something.
But if we're not really gonna go hiking today, we didn't do half bad. So
No, considering they're like, it's a paved half-mile trail.
yeah, they
They
didn't.
failed to say that it was straight up.
Yeah,
So,
but we got to see a little salamander. We'll shoot some pictures of that in here too. So if you have any inkling to go to Anna Ruby Falls, it is definitely worth the trip. Just a quick reminder, it is not in Unicoi. It is part of the Chattahoochee National Forest, and it is a U.S. Forestry Service area. It's a recreation area. So you can drive right through Unicoi and come in here. And I had a national pass, so a lifetime pass, so it didn't cost us anything to get in here, which is pretty
little
cool.
stickers.
Yeah, got little stickers. So, but other than that, it's a great hike up there. It's all paved, a couple little bridges, beautiful cascades all the way up. So it's well worth the trip to go look at. So we're gonna go back to the campground now and get us some lunch. We'll talk to y'all later.
Bye.
Bye. Made it back to the campground, and we decided we were going to stop and get us a nice pretzel and Helen and enjoy that. So we're gonna have fun eating that, and then we'll get back with you later. Bye.
Sunshine, you are my sunshine.